Hi, welcome to the Indian Air Force Air Show coming to Chennai on October 6th. Get ready to witness the breathtaking display of aerial prowess and precision. This spectacular event promises to thrill audiences of all ages. Note the date October 6, 2024 to celebrate 92nd anniversary Indian Air Force to host spectacular air show at Marina Beach on October 6. This year's event is based on the theme Bhartiya Vayu Sena, highlighting the IAF's unwavering commitment to safeguarding the nation's airspace. The air show will feature performance by the IAF's Agas Ganga team, skydiving prowess, and the Surya Kiran aerobatic team, and the stunning aerial choreography by the Sarang helicopter display team. Be mesmerized by the majestic display of IAF's featured aircrafts Rafale, Tejas, U-30, MKI and Mirage 2000. Get ready to watch the Indian Air Force Air Show in Chennai on October 6th at Marina Beach. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on the Indian Air Force Air Show.